morning guys! Today is weekend day. Kaka-ligo ko lang. And yeah, pababa na tayo guys. Tulog pa yung mga tao except kay Indy at saka kay Dan. Good night, everyone. Goodbye, day. Indy's awake.
She's got cute pa ya kira.
Good night.
Bye, te.
Bye, te. Thank you, te.
See you next time. Bye, boy. I'm gonna miss you, boy. See you in Murray Bridge.
Ha? Sasa daw?
Murray Bridge.
Nandito na tayo sa airport, guys. Kakadrop lang ni Dan sa atin. Thank you so much to the family. Balik na naman kami dito soon. Check-in kami, boarding kami 7:45. So may time pa tayo kumain, magkape. Touchdown! So actually, andito na kami sa may Tweed. Kain tayo guys. Gutom na ako. Alright. Dito tayo sa Get Hooked on seafood, fish and chips. Fairness, ang ganda dito sa Tweed. Yay! Look at the pelicans.
Very cool.
Here's our food. Sana masarap to kasi very close lang sila sa body of water. Sana fresh yung kanilang mga seafood. We have Summersby at saka ginger beer. Kain! Like, kasi balik ko dahil pag down tayo.
Hindi nga ka nakanawag.
Baka nila makukuha ito.
Dito na kami.
나머진 바빠 개설레임 바꾸는 사람들 시간만 지나가 자신감 가지고 해와 그냥 천천히 들어가야 해 어쩔 때에는 무작정 들이밀기만 하지만 그런 거랑 차이가 있어 baby 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah, 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah, 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 yeah, 풍선을 타고 난 날아올라 하고 싶었던 춤이 다 골라 어디든 갈 걸 수박은 바다 그저 그랬던 풍경들이 이제 보니까 아름다운 느린 걸음걸이 음식은 그냥 주전부리 yeah, yeah, you was 있으면 더 충분히 행복해 미소가 지어져 yeah. 오늘은 한편의 동화를 썼음 hey.
Guys, grocery muna tayo. Asian grocery shop. Let's go. Walang tuna. Walang tuna. Guys, we're back in the accommodation. God. Tonight pala, we are gonna do a night shift. Night shift kami. So, mag-unpack na tayo agad-agad. Umata na ba?
Yeah.
Okay, man. Lainey! Bibigyan pala ako ni ate ng dalawang ganito. It's not a girdle. Hindi naman ito siya girdle. Maliit na mga shorts lang. Pang inner. That's it.
Yung wala ka naman, Kiara. Yung go for, kung ano yung email na po nga, you want to go through Canberra.
Stupid siya. Kapunin din niya. Ay, ganun tao lang yun. Ganyan ko ganun siya. I'm gonna send you a confirmation. Kanang, pwede email na lang para na kay trail. Kay kapilang magbalik-balik kong calls. Ano ba ito na siguro email? Sino magbalik na siguro. Go for it, gani. Ay, konti lang yung na-shopping natin doon sa guys, Asian store. Kasi yung first na Asian store na napuntahan namin doon sa Tweed, pa-Asian supermarket pa sila. Tapos, mainly, Indian lang lahat ng mga products. Wala talagang Filipino. Feeling ko kahit Chinese wala din. Sa kanila lang talaga yung product. Anyway, meron tayong seaweed. Maghahanap sana kami ng tuna. Tuna doon. We have Ligo sardines. Nakakamiss. We have one cheese ring. Konti lang talaga. Pang-ulam tonight. Or pang-baon pala tonight. Ayun, sana masarap. Akin to, kay Michelle to. Tocino mix! Ay, sarap nito. Tsaka pang spaghetti, pero wala tayong pasta. Pero that's okay. Mag-grocery na lang tayo, guys. Soon. Kasi wala, hindi kami tubig. Kewpie! Very nice na salad dressing. And then, chili mansi sabor. Good evening, guys. I just showered. So, night shift nga tayo, guys. As you can see, this is my first time wearing this. Figs na navy blue. Nice na. Anyway, nice na. Kain na tayo. Nag-order kami ng Chinese takeaway ni Michelle. That's our food. Pagod talaga, guys. Kanina. Tulog talaga agad. But it was very worth it. Yung pagpunta namin doon talaga, ay, very worth it. Kape lang tayo. Tapos na magkape si Michelle. Yan na. Oops.
City of mine, how I love the city of mine. And never gets me down. City of mine, how I love this city of mine.
Bye guys, see you in the morning.
It never gets me down, yeah.
Matagma. Pistika, nganong nigawas kagalit. Kakatapos lang ng shift natin, guys. Punta sana ako ng Chemist Warehouse today, but then I realized day off na ako and I have an appointment tomorrow, so tomorrow na lang iisa na natin yung ating gala. So yun, grabe, very chill today, very chill silang lahat. Yung side lang namin yung may pasyente. As in, kaloka, mga mental health. Hello! Naka-pajamas na tayo, guys. Finally, today is my day off, or sleeping day, kumbaga. Tomorrow, I have an appointment. Facial appointment tayo. It's microneedling appointment. Ang tagal ko nang hindi nakapag-microneedling. I've done that once sa New Zealand pa lang. And actually, maganda siya. So, I've been really wanting to book for one. Pero ngayon pa lang talaga ako nagka-opportunity. Anyway, yun nga, I had 2 night shift. And yeah, I'm so glad. Tapos na. Alam nyo ba, konting-konti na lang matatapos na kami dito. Tama ba yung term ko? Konti-konti na lang. We're almost finished with this contract. I-count ko yung araw, be. 5, 6, 7. I only have 7 shifts and tapos na. And we are on the process of, you know, planning our next trip ni Michelle, which is, I'm super excited, but because different yung shifts namin, hindi kami makapag-sit down and then, you know, make it official, book flights and everything. So, hopefully, after ng shift niya today, makapag-sit down na kami. Kasi ang hirap talaga pag night shift, ay, yung utak talaga nakalutang. 10 hours kang gising sa gabi. Yeah, 2 days off and then, I'm so excited. So excited na ma-finish na naman ang contract na ito. And we have another contract na din, guys, na I'm super excited because our accommodation is the best. It's gonna be the best so far. Remember nyo, nung nasa Mildura tayo na in a way, nakakapag-isip ako ng mga lulutuin, gumawa ako ng cold rolls, lagi akong gumagawa ng wraps. Kasi my kitchen, andito kasi yung kitchen separate ba? So hindi ako nagbablog doon. Hindi ka inspired na mag-explore ng mga bagong mga lulutuin. But with the next accommodation, yeah, I'm super excited. Sa accommodation talaga ako excited, no? Sa next contract din naman. Next contract, it's a different state. We haven't been there. So yeah, I'm very excited. Anyway, I'm just having my leftover to kung gabi kasi sobrang busog ka na talaga. We have Hungry Jacks. Sarap. Uy, marami nag-view ng ating vlog kagabi. Bakit? Na! Yung vlog ko na iniwan tayo with the kids, ang dami nag-view. Ang cute naman. That's it, guys. I'm just gonna chill, relax, and let's see. Ay, mag-watch na ako ng movie or mag-watch na ako ng series kasi it's been a while na wala akong pinapanood. Lagi lang ako nag-i-edit. I was so productive this past few days. Kahit na nag-night shift ako or kung ano man yung shift ko, I really tried my best to edit. So, if you notice, there were days wherein almost every day ako nag-upload. And I think that was like straight for 3 days. And then after that, like every 2 days din. Every 2 days na yung interval. That's actually pretty good because you know what? I'm doing full-time. I'm a full-time nurse. So, yeah, I really try my best na ma-keep up din ba. Kasi I know if you're not really consistent with uploading, mawawala ng interest yung mga tao. So, that's the struggle. I don't want to have it any other way though. So, I'm happy na, you know, we have vlog and we're also doing full-time nursing. I can never do vlogging. Just vlogging. Hindi ko kaya. My life is too boring. Mabubuang ako nga. Ano bang topic ko ngayon eh? Anyway. Kakatapos ko lang kumain, guys. And nakita ko to. Oh my God. Sarap nito. Chewy sampalok. Ano? Frutos soft chewy na sampalok. Yan. Sarap nito. Alam nyo ba? Galing pa to ng Pinas. Nung umuwi tayo. Nakalungkat ko lang. So this is how it looks like. Very good. It's really good. Guys, we're on the process of booking our flights. Ayaw niya magpabook. What is wrong? I don't know why. We have been trying and trying and trying. Ah! Okay na, day. We are processing your flight booking. Yes. Perfect! Okay, na-book na, guys. Lalabas na tayo talaga. Makakalabas na tayo. What? 1-8. Maka-receive, maka na. So, sure na. Nalalabas na tayo ng Australia. Okay, process.